Students, everyone see here, we are talking about reaction of carbonyl compound with the hydrogen cyanide. I know carbon is positive, oxygen is negative, H is positive, Cn is negative, plus added up to minus, minus added up to plus. So it is clearly addition reaction, right? Now the question arises whether I should carry out addition here or here. Anyhow, you know that inside the ring it is not very easy to break the pi bond. So addition won't takes place here. So addition either takes place here or here. Exactly, let's see where it is possible. I know carbon is plus, O is minus. Carbon is plus, O is minus. You people can see double, single, plus resonance takes place. Because of the resonance, electron reached here, minus plus, plus becomes small. Here charge is small, here charge is big. I know that for addition reaction, when charges are big, addition become easy. When our charges are small, addition becomes difficult. That means charges big, addition takes place here, not here. So exactly what happened, O minus taken up H plus, and double becomes single, this plus taken up Cn minus. Exactly this compound is given at which option? We have OHCN double bond pi. So option A we have to tick here as right answer.